Tools, not toys. Tools, not toys. You got it. Google is this 500-pound gorilla. I think you're making a mistake not to have a Gmail account so that you can integrate all the things Google does. They've got a fantastic reader. They've got a very respected email account. They just opened Google Buzz, which I cannot figure out, but I'm watching. Don't know what it is yet, but I'm watching it. I'm there. And they're going to do other stuff. So I would have a Gmail account. They are movers and shakers. I'd be in with them to watch what they're doing. Go. I can't figure it out, but I'm watching it. So get a good email address. Don't be Foxy Lady 99 or Biker Boy North Tahoe. Be your name. Be June Brown or some combination of June Brown. Okay? And at least get a Google profile so it has a chance to find you. At least get a Google profile. Fill that out. And then I think for professionals, get on LinkedIn. It's the best way to build an expanded resume. Best way to build an expanded resume. The next place is the blog. There is nothing more powerful than the blog to document and target your value, what you can do uniquely well to help others. I mean, I have built an archive that did not exist 7 months ago about what I can do to help you. And now, because I've built that archive, I'm actually more clear than in the past 10 years about what I can do to help you, because I've written it down. And just the fact of committing to what I say I can do has clarified what I know I can do. And so, I mean, if you were to call me to help, I know what I can do, I know what I can't do, and I'm much more clear about that now than I've ever been. And it is the way that people are drawn in to see who you are and what you're about. If you're on Twitter and you don't have a blog, you're missing it. You really need a blog if you're on Twitter. That's the first thing I check. When I'm looking for someone and deciding if I'm going to connect to them on Twitter, I'm looking for a blog. Because if you've got a blog, I can help you. You're going to write something at a blog, and I'm going to take what you've written and I'm going to tell my friends on Twitter, you need to see what Ashley just said. And by doing that, I help you. I spread the word. I also create social capital. When I do that for you, you will feel indebted to do that for me. That's what's going on Twitter. Twitter is this powerful value platform. And a lot of people are out there, you know, brushing my teeth, walking my dog, doing this stuff. No. It is a community of people. I'm telling you, I've met people in this community on Twitter that I never would have met otherwise. They come to my defense on my blog. I rarely get negative comments on my blog. I had one just earlier this week. This guy was hammering me on something about performance eval, and he got personal. And so I was trying to figure out what am I going to do with this guy. And one of my Twitter community friends that I did not meet, did not know him 6 months ago, came to my defense. That's what happens when you build community. They do it for you.